I have never completed or never solved a Rubik's Cube before. I don't know how to. Never even looked it up. But I have 24 hours to do and to learn and actually complete one. Starting from now.
Right, first step. Do some research online, looking on the best websites and videos to find tutorials on. Second, buy an actual Rubik's Cube. I know, I need to actually get one. I know, it's pretty bad. Third, actually complete one and solve it. You ready? Let's go! So I just searched the quickest way to solve a Rubik's Cube on Google, on YouTube. I just wanted to find the simplest tutorial on the internet. But I realised how hard this is going to be. It was going to be a long day.
Right, so I've done quite a bit of research on what to do. I just need an actual Rubik's Cube. That will help. Let's do this. Technically, this is the goal. This is where it's gonna end. I'm taking it in. Not gonna lie. I should just like pretend I did it and just cut it to so I'm like literally just like 3 moves. Oh, I did it! No, we ain't cheaters around here. All right, we're doing this for real. So I've got to mix this up. I'm just gonna. And that way, and then focus. Let's do this.
After my hour of research in the morning, I found that most videos online, they're really quick and fast, so it's hard to follow. So this tutorial I followed online is a YouTube video, and it's one of the best ones I found. First, you complete the top face of the cube. For me, that is the white square. So you first do a white cross. Then, once you've done that, you do the corners of the top face. Once you've done that, that's done with your first step.
Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Oh yeah.
And then I get a phone call.
Oh shit, the fuck. Hello.
Turns out I have an interview in a few hours. Great.
I am going to take a quick break and gonna have some lunch because I'm starving. So I've just eat my lunch. Well, I've left half of it. Wasn't hungry after all. I now have an interview in an hour, so I'm having to go straight to there, get dressed, and go do this interview. Man, I have a funny feeling I'm going to be up all night.
could be very surprised and pull it off and actually, you know, complete it. But I really doubt it. I really doubt it. I don't think I've done it. Right, interview time. Gonna do this interview, be back on it when I get back.
I'm back after the interview. Did not go very well. However, I'm hungry for some Rubik's Cube. I'm ready to destroy it. It's currently, oh god, it's not going very well today at all. I mean, the max, I don't know, depending on how I feel and how long I can sit here and wait to do it. I think I'm gonna do, probably go to bed about 10ish. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how I feel later on. I could be fine. I could be buzzing on absolute energy. I'm teeing up right now. I could be having a coffee soon, and that could be, oh, I could be going until 11.
My next step of the Rubik's Cube is completing the middle layer. It was all going well until I decide to do something differently. I'll just stop here for a second. If you're like me and you think that you've actually got the gist of it and you decide to not actually follow the video, then this happens.
I don't even know what just happened. I'm so lost.
You start falling behind and you begin to lose your mind. Literally.
It is currently 9:20. I'm shattered. And I've still got nowhere. I've actually ended up worse than I originally had. That's when I did the top of the cube. It's just, I don't know what happened, man. I literally, it was, oh man. There was not a chance this was going to happen. I had no idea what to do with this. Hopefully when I get up in the morning, I'm able to do it. Or get somewhere close. So I'll see you in the morning.
So, mission failed. So I clearly didn't wake up at, I can't remember what I did actually. I don't even know what time I woke up the next morning. But I didn't actually do anything the next morning. I literally I woke up late and yeah, it was just I just took it on the chin. Man, I'm gutted. I'm actually no jokes. After just having that day of doing it, I've just not been able to put it down. But, I am definitely going to be doing this in the future, 100%. I'm definitely going to do it, so I'm not going to do a day, I'm going to do probably a week, maybe. This is going to be a future video down the line, after we've done these challenges each day. I want to do this later on, so keep an eye out for that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, I will see you in the next challenge.